as these bamboo and aluminium wind chimes treat your senses to its calm, rich, yet soft tones. The chimes present a unique version of the G major pentatonic scale. You can place it anywhere you like in the garden, on the patio, or on a tree. You can give these chimes as gifts for any occasion. From the hanging ring to the bottom, the chime is 29 inches long. Number 2, Pixpri Wind Chimes, Elegant Metal Design. It is quite easy to set up your wind chime. Just screw the S-hook on a tree or the patio and hang your chimes up. The tones of the wind chimes are rich. These metal chimes are great for both indoor and outdoor use. These durable and long-lasting Pixpri wind chimes will produce a strong. It is easy to install on trees or roof overhangs using the hanging S-hook. Number 1, Woodstock Medium Amazing Grace Chime Inspirational Collection. As you sit on your porch in a calm and gentle breeze, let the Woodstock wind chime soothe you with inspirational musical notes. This wind chime is made to the opening tune of Amazing Grace. It is 24 inches in length. The wood has a cherry ash wood finish and 6 aluminium tubes. You can remove the wind catcher to customize your wind chime. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.